H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit H2kInfosys.com.
So now we will discuss another tool in the same category, which is called as a Jira. Now this also is a test management tool. It is used for managing all the testing activities, similar to the quality center. Okay. So in this topic, I'm going to show you how to do the initial setup of this Jira. Setup of the Jira tool. You don't need any specific installation here because this is a cloud-based tool, and I will show you how to set up the Jira tool and then how you can start using it. Okay. So once the Jira tool is installed, I will show you how to use a Jira tool. We can create the different issues and then different objects over here. I'm going to show you how to use the Jira tool. And after that, I'll show you how to write the test cases. So test cases you cannot directly write in the Jira, all right? So in order to write the test cases, we will be using one more tool, which is called as a Zephyr tool. After that, I will show you the defect reporting and tracking in this Jira tool. Okay. So this is what we are going to discuss here as a part of this Jira tool. And then this is an agile based tool that we have. You can note down this one and then we will start with the setup of the Jira tool. Okay. So let's start with the initial setup of the Jira tool. All right. And before that, let me tell you about this Jira tool. It is from the Atlassian company. All right. And then this also is a test management tool similar to your quality center or the ALM tool that you have. But it is a cloud-based tool and it is mainly used for the agile models. Okay, mainly used for the agile models. So first we will do the Jira setup. You can look at my screen and I will show you the steps. And please take the screenshot of every step. Later you can try it on your computer as usual. Okay. Now this is the link that you have to follow in order to install the tool. I'm sending the link on the chat box. So we are going to use a free version or a trial version for this one in order to practice the Jira on your computer. You don't need any separate installation like on your local computer because this is a cloud-based tool. So it's a free tool that is available. All right.
Hello.
1 second, participants. So this is a URL, okay, atlassian.com/software/jira/free. Okay, so I've sent the same link on the chat box. You can save the link. Now this is the first step from where we start. We have this Jira software, and here we have some additional products also like Confluence and then the Jira Service Management. So we will not use these both as of now. Okay, we will simply use the Jira tool. And here, since we are going to go for this free plan, means it's a trial version, the free plan, it is going to support up to 10 users in the group, and it will provide us up to 2 GB support storage. Community support will be there. It is free, and then there is no credit card that is required here in order to log in into the Jira tool. Okay. Clear, everyone? So this is the first screen. You can take a screenshot of this one, all of you. Take a screenshot of this one. So this is the first screen. All right. You have to enter this URL in the browser. All right. And then just click on the next button. This is the first step. Take a screenshot. So every step you take a screenshot, and then later you can try it on your computer. Fine. So now I'll click on the next button. So do you see it is mentioned here that it is for the agile practices. It is mainly used for agile model. Now what you need to do is you have to enter the email ID, and then you have to give your site address. Okay. Enter the email ID and then site address you can give. So I will enter my site address here. For example, we will be practicing the same Verizon Wireless project. So I will write here Verizon Wireless, Priya, and then this is your 12:30 batch. Okay. So you can give any URL that you want. You can give the similar URL, give Verizon Wireless. After that, write your name and then give the batch name, and make sure that you remember this one. Okay. You should be able to remember this one. Otherwise, you'll not be able to re-access your Jira software. Whatever site URL you're giving here, you have to give the remember the URL. Must be three or more lowercase letters and or numbers. Okay, I'll give one hyphen here. Let's see. So it is saying lowercase letter. Let me give all lowercase. Okay, so it is not allowing the uppercase letters. All right, give everything in the lowercase. All right, and then I click on the agree button. Take a screenshot of this one. So this is step number 2. This is step number 2, wherein you are entering your email ID and then your site URL that you want, and then click on the agree button. Take a screenshot of this one. So this is step number 2. So do you see this is free cloud software? It's a cloud-based software that we have. Everybody's done. Okay, so let me clear the screen. Now I'll click on the agree button and I will proceed. Just take the screenshot. Farzana, don't try the steps along with me. First, you take the screenshot. Marsha, take the screenshot. Okay, if you have missed something, I will give the recap later. If I go to and fro, you will be getting confused with the steps. So just take the screenshot of whatever is there on my screen. Please don't do the steps along with me. Prat Patel, please don't do the steps along with me. Okay, just take the screenshot. I'll give you time to practice. So it is signing in. Your site is starting up and we have to wait for some time here. Let's wait for it to log in. So do you see now it is asking whether I'm new or experienced with the Jira. You can select anything as of now. Okay, my team is new or experienced with Agile. Again, here also you can select anything, doesn't matter, or you can simply skip and proceed. So this is step number 3. This is step number 3. Okay, you have to simply skip and proceed. There is no need to enter. Even if you enter, that's fine. Otherwise also fine. So this is step number 3. Take a screenshot. Just take the screenshots. Don't do the steps along with me. Everybody's done. Did you take a screenshot? Now I'll click on the next button, skip button. Muzamil, please don't try the steps along with me. Ami Patel, I've sent an email. You can do the follow-up. So here, do you see we have this current template. Currently, it is Kanban template and it is a team managed. All right. So now here, what I will do is I will click on the change template. Step number 4, it is change template. Okay. It is change template. Take the screenshot of this one. Step number 4 is change template.